Welcome back to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2025 Volvo VNL Game Changer truck. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Volvo VNL is a real game changer in the trucking industry, with its structure built using high-strength steel and advanced materials that ensure exceptional durability and safety. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, featuring LED headlights and taillights, chrome accents, and sleek lines that not only look great but also enhance visibility. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium features like ergonomic driver's seats and steering wheels, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10-inch touchscreen display with navigation. The heated and cooled seats are a nice touch, and the 360-degree camera system provides added peace of mind. When it comes to power, the VNL delivers with a range of efficient engines, including the Volvo D13 turbo compound engine that pumps out 500 horsepower, the Volvo D11 engine with 405 horsepower, and the Volvo D13 engine with 455 horsepower. Performance-wise, the VNL boasts up to 30% improved fuel efficiency, enhanced towing capacity, and smooth shifting I-shift transmission. Pricing starts around $140,000 for the base model and rises to $200,000 for the top-of-the-line trim. But with features like advanced safety features, Volvo's remote diagnostics and connected services, integrated telematics system, and spacious sleeper cab options, it's well worth the investment. The VNL comes in various trim levels, including the VNL 300, VNL 400, VNL 640, VNL 740, and VNL 860, each tailored to meet specific needs and preferences. Overall, the 2025 Volvo VNL combines impressive power, cutting-edge tech, and premium comfort, making it an ideal choice for long-haul truckers and fleet owners seeking efficiency, reliability, and safety. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we will meet soon in next video.